Okay, I'm going to change this garbage disposal, which is leaking. I'm also going to try and do it in one quick take and make it as quick as possible. I've already cleaned out underneath the sink for the most part. I'm going to start off by making sure the power's off because I'm going to be playing with the electric on the bottom of it. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to release the trap where the waste line comes through. I'm also going to remove the dishwasher outlet and put that aside. So it doesn't drip on me. And then this garbage disposal has a quick lock. The new one comes with a new quick lock. We're not going to have to use it because there's already one up on the sink. But basically, you remove it by putting a screwdriver in there and just giving it a turn. And there it's loose. Remove it all the way, and the garbage disposal is loose. And then lift it out of the trap. Now the garbage disposal is off. I'm going to put a little pot underneath this trap because it has some water in it. I don't want to get too much water on the floor. And next, I'm going to remove the wire from the bottom. So I'm going to have to use a Phillips head screwdriver and then undo the wire nuts there. Yeah, you can see how bad this was leaking. It's kind of nasty inside there. It's a good thing it was grounded, because that is a definitely nasty leak. Undo the ground. It's pretty gnarly. All right, there's our wires disconnected. I'm going to loosen the Romex connector that's on the bottom of this garbage disposal, and I'm going to put it on the new one. Wire's been removed. Garbage disposal is officially garbage. Actually, let me show you taking off the old Romex connector. Wipe the Romex connector clean. Make sure it's dry. All right. It's good enough. There's not a problem. It's not rusted. Just a little dirty. And here we have our new garbage disposal. take the Fieromike connector. Thread that onto the bottom. Then we're going to feed our wire through. Tighten down the Fieromike connector. A little slippery. Now we're going to connect the wires. I'm going to start with the ground wire around the ground screw. The neutral wire to the white wire. Getting tight. Tuck that in out of the way. Black wire to the black wire. Tuck that out of the way. Put the cover back on. The electric portion of it finished. Now I'm going to put on the new trap. It goes on like that, just like the old one. Straight down. And now, important, if you have a dishwasher that is discharging into the garbage disposal. The next step is very important. Right inside, I don't know if you can see this, right inside here, see how it's blocked off? We've got to knock that little cap out. So I'm going to take a screwdriver and I'm going to smack it in there, knock that little piece of plastic out. There we go. Fish the little piece of plastic out. Throw that away. And now, this little lock is going to lock right back up to the bottom of the sink. Right where the old one was. But first I got to get the nut for the trap. Goes on there. There we go. Then you take the screwdriver and you lock that in place. Connect the trap. Good and tight. Only has to be hand tight though. A little bit of water coming off from it. That's from the old water in the trap. And then last, take the dishwasher. Connect the dishwasher. It seems to be slipping. There we go. It's good and tight. Now there's no more need for the bowl underneath the sink. Hopefully, we've done everything right. Turn the water on. And everything's dry. And of course you already heard it run, but there it is running. That's all it takes to change out a garbage disposal.